Hey Globetrotters and travel enthusiasts! Ever feel like traditional currency exchange is a total drag? Terrible rates, hidden fees, the constant worry you're getting ripped off, it's enough to put a damper on any adventure. That's where services like YouTrip come in, promising a smarter, more convenient way to manage your money abroad. But before you jump on the YouTrip bandwagon, there's one crucial question: is it just for Singaporean adventurers, or can Globetrotters from anywhere join the party? The Singapore story, YouTrip's humble beginnings. YouTrip's story starts in the vibrant nation of Singapore. Launched in 2018, it aimed to empower travelers with a user-friendly platform for managing foreign currency. Their key offerings? A multi-currency e-wallet and a linked MasterCard for hassle-free spending overseas. The concept was a hit. YouTrip offered competitive exchange rates, transparent fees, and the ability to ditch the bulky traveler's checks. Singaporean explorers flocked to YouTrip, making it a go-to travel essential. So, is YouTrip stuck on a Singapore stopover? Hold on your boarding passes, travel bugs. YouTrip isn't just a Singaporean secret weapon anymore. In 2019, they expanded their services to Thailand, welcoming Thai travelers to the YouTrip family. This expansion showed YouTrip's ambition to become a regional, if not global, player in the travel finance game. But what about the rest of the world? Is YouTrip planning a world tour, or are they content catering to Southeast Asia? The future of YouTrip, a global expansion on the horizon. Unfortunately, as of today, June 11, 2024, YouTrip's availability is still limited to Singapore and Thailand. There haven't been any official announcements of further expansion plans. However, there are some clues that hint at YouTrip's global aspirations. Their website boasts a team of fintech trailblazers from Southeast Asia, suggesting a regional focus with an eye on future growth. Additionally, their services cater to spending in over 150 currencies, which seems like a big play for a service restricted to just 2 countries. YouTrip, a viable option, but not for everyone, yet. Here's the bottom line: if you're a travel enthusiast based in Singapore or Thailand, YouTrip is definitely worth checking out. Their competitive rates, user-friendly app, and convenience make it a compelling option. But for Globetrotters from other corners of the world, YouTrip remains out of reach, for now. There's always the possibility of future expansion, but until then, you might need to explore alternative travel finance solutions. Explore your options, alternatives to YouTrip. The good news? You're not limited to YouTrip. Several other services offer similar features, like multi-currency wallets, linked debit cards, and competitive exchange rates. Some popular options include Wise, Revolut, and TransferWise, now part of Wise. Researching these alternatives might be the key to unlocking smarter travel finance, no matter where your wanderlust takes you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy exploring.